An atom's nucleus contains protons and blank, neutrons, electrons, ions, or elements. Sinasabi ko talaga lahat. Hindi nyo makikita sa PDF file o sa material natin. Kaya I really suggest na panoorin paulit-ulit ang video kaysa naman ipiprint ninyo lahat ng mga materials natin tapos doon lang kayo magtutuon ng pansin. Okay? So kaya hindi ko ini-include lahat. Hindi ako very text-like sa pag-create ng PowerPoint because I want you to listen to every information that I will give you guys. Lahat ipupuga ko na talaga sa inyo. Kaya makinig sa mga isasabi ko every session. Si nucleus, as we all know, siya po yung kung mass, in terms of mass, siya yung part na most of the mass of the atom nandoon. Okay? Sa nucleus yan. And that is, or those are, the neutrons. Okay? So itong neutrons na ito, these are the particles na walang charge. Proton, yung particle na may positive charge. Yung mga electrons dito are the tiny particles that moves around the nucleus and it has that negative electrical charge. Bakit naging tiny particles sa electron? Kasi among the three, siya yung pinakamaliit. Sobrang liit niya compared to that neutron and compared to the proton. Okay? So meaning to say, the atom here as a whole contains the same number of positive and negative charges. So meaning to say, this atom or our atom is actually neutral.